Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover generative AI and predictive AI, open source models like LLMs, Llama, Alpaca, and Vicuna, Microsoft's Orca and Anthropic's Claude, optimized LLMs from Cerebras, AI innovations from Meta and the Technology Innovation Institute, ChatGPT's Vizsla plugin for video creation, NVIDIA and Evazyne's collaboration on BioNeMo, the impact of AI advancements on jobs, recent AI developments like OpenChat and SamPT, exciting AI predictions and acquisitions, and the Wondercraft AI platform for creating podcasts with hyper-realistic AI voices. Generative AI and predictive AI are two different approaches within the field of artificial intelligence. Generative AI focuses on content creation, using algorithms and deep learning neural network techniques to generate new content based on observed patterns. It can create text, images, video, and music, producing things that have never existed before. On the other hand, predictive AI analyzes historical data to identify patterns and make predictions about the future. It helps businesses make informed decisions by detecting data flow anomalies, predicting customer behavior, and improving overall outcomes. The key difference between the two lies in their purpose and the algorithms they use. Generative AI combines patterns to create unique new forms, while predictive AI uses statistical algorithms and machine learning to identify patterns and make predictions based on historical and current data. In terms of application, generative AI is commonly used in creative fields like art, music, and fashion, where it can add an element of creativity and novelty. Predictive AI, on the other hand, finds more use in finance, healthcare, and marketing, although there is overlap between the two. Both generative AI and predictive AI rely on artificial intelligence algorithms to achieve their goals. They are complementary approaches that cater to different needs and industries, harnessing the power of AI for content creation and predictive analysis, respectively. So let's talk about some LLMs that aren't ChatGPT. We've got 4 interesting ones to delve into. First up, we have Llama. Created by Facebook, now Meta, it's designed as an open science project. You can download Llama and use it as a foundation to build more finely tuned models for specific applications. In fact, Alpaca and Vicuna were both built on top of Llama. Llama comes in 4 different sizes, and even the smaller versions, with just 7 billion parameters, have found their way into unlikely places. One ambitious developer claims to have it running on a Raspberry Pi with only 4 GB of RAM. Next in line is Alpaca. Stanford researchers took Llama 7B and trained it on prompts to create this LLM. Alpaca 7B allows ordinary folks like you and me to access the knowledge stored in Llama by asking questions and giving instructions. You'll be glad to know that this lightweight LLM can run on hardware that costs less than $600. Vicuna, on the other hand, is a descendant of Llama developed by the team at lmsys.org. They put their focus on multi-round interactions and instruction-following capabilities by gathering a training set of 70,000 conversations from ShareGPT. Vicuna 13B and Vicuna 7B are open solutions for basic interactive chat that won't break the bank. Lastly, we have Notepad, for those who aren't enchanted by LLMs generating linguistically accurate text. The creators of Notepad are concerned that the polished text produced by other models can distract users from fact-checking. Instead, Notepad encourages exploration and ideation without getting caught up in presentation. Results from this LLM appear as nodes and connections, more like mind mapping tools than finished writing. It's a great resource for tapping into the model's encyclopedic knowledge for creative ideas. So there you have it, 4 LLMs that offer unique approaches beyond ChatGPT. So let's talk about some interesting language models that have been making waves in the field of AI. First up, we have Orca, created by a team of researchers at Microsoft. Unlike the trend of larger models, Orca stands out by using just 13 billion parameters, making it compatible with average machines. The developers achieved this by enhancing the training algorithm with techniques like explanation traces and step-by-step thought processes. Instead of expecting the AI to learn from raw material, they provided a specially designed training set that helps Orca learn more effectively. It's like teaching a human. Start small, build up gradually. The initial results are promising, with benchmarks suggesting that Orca performs on par with much larger models. Moving on, let's talk about Jasper. The creators of Jasper had a different goal in mind. They wanted to build a focused machine for specific content creation tasks. With over 50 templates tailored for different purposes, like writing real estate listings or crafting product features, Jasper is all about efficiency. The paid versions cater specifically to businesses looking for consistent marketing copy. Now let's meet Claude, created by Anthropic. Claude is your go-to assistant for various text-based chores, ranging from research to customer service. You provide a prompt, and it generates an answer. Anthropic even encourages complex instructions by allowing long prompts, letting users have more control over the results. They offer two versions, Claude V1, which is perfect for jobs requiring complex reasoning, and Claude Instant, a more affordable option that's faster and great for simple tasks like classification. Last but not least, let's explore Cerebrus. They've taken an interesting approach by combining specialized hardware with a general model. Their language learning model, LLM, comes in different sizes, from small to large, depending on your needs. You can run it locally or use their cloud services, which are powered by Cerebrus's own processors optimized for handling large training sets. These models are pushing the boundaries of AI, offering different benefits depending on your requirements. Whether it's size, efficiency, focus, or flexibility, there's something for everyone in this evolving landscape. Have you heard of the Falcon 40B and Falcon 7B models developed by the Technology Innovation Institute in the United Arab Emirates? These models were trained on a large data set from refined web with a focus on improving inference. What's interesting is that they were released with the Apache 2.0, making them widely available for experimentation. So if you're looking to try out some open and unrestricted models, these could be worth exploring. Next up, let me tell you about ImageBind, a project by Meta. While Meta is primarily known for its presence in social media, they're also making waves in open source software development. ImageBind showcases how AI can generate various types of data simultaneously, such as text, audio, and video. It's like an imagination accelerator that can stitch together an entire imaginary world. The possibilities here are endless. Now let's dive into the topic of using generative AI to write code. Many have been intrigued by this concept, but it often falls short when closely examined. That's where Gorilla comes in. Gorilla is an LLM designed to better handle programming interfaces. Its creators started with Llama and refined it using programming details scraped from documentation. They even offer their own benchmarks to test success. For programmers looking to leverage AI for coding assistance, Gorilla could be a game changer. If creating your own specialized chatbot is on your mind, Aura.ai has got you covered. Aura allows users to develop targeted chatbots optimized for specific tasks. For example, there's Librarian GPT, who can provide answers from specific passages in books. And if you're a fan of Carl Sagan, there's a bot dedicated to drawing from his writings. You can even explore the hundreds of chatbots already created by others. Need a tool that can handle various application tasks? Agent GPT is the solution. It helps create agents for jobs like vacation planning or game code generation. The source code is available under GPL 3.0, and there's a running version as a service too. It's all about making application development more efficient and effective. Lastly, let's talk about Frugal GPT, which offers a cost-effective strategy for answering specific questions. The researchers behind Frugal GPT realized that not every question requires an expensive high-end model. They developed an algorithm that starts with the simplest model and gradually works its way up, finding the most suitable answer without unnecessary costs. Their experiments suggest it could save up to 98% of the cost for many questions. So if you're looking for an economical approach to AI, Frugal GPT has you covered. And that wraps up our tour of these fascinating AI models and tools. Hey there, guess what? ChatGPT has a really cool feature. You can actually create videos right inside it. Yeah, that's right. You can add music, voiceover, footage, and even a script within seconds. It's a total game changer for marketers and content creators out there. Whether you need a snappy 10-second Facebook ad, a captivating YouTube short, or even a full-fledged 5-minute commercial, this tool has got you covered, and you can get as creative as you want with the prompts to evoke the exact emotions and visual appeal you desire. The best part is, once you create your video, you can still make edits to fine-tune it to perfection. You have full control, my friend. Now let me walk you through the process. First, you'll need to open your ChatGPT account and access the plugins beta. From there, you'll be able to install a plugin called Visla via the plugin store. Exciting, right? Once you have the plugin installed, simply give it a prompt. Tell it what kind of video you want, whether it's a commercial, a quick Facebook ad, or anything else you can think of. In just a few seconds, voila, you'll receive a link to your newly created video. Now, if the results aren't exactly what you were hoping for, no worries. Just hit save and edit, and you'll be taken to Visla's editor. This is where the magic happens. You can tweak the sound, add stock footage, adjust the script. Basically, you have the freedom to make it exactly how you envision it. Finally, when you're satisfied with your masterpiece, simply export it. Easy peasy. I'll give you a quick heads up though. The tool isn't perfect yet, but it's still pretty impressive. Even now, it can save you loads of time by creating a first draft in just a few seconds. Oh, and if you want to remove watermarks from your intro or outro, you can opt for Visla's premium subscription. Or, you can always just trim the video. Who needs watermarks, right? NVIDIA has just made a big announcement. They have partnered with biotech startup Evozyne to launch a groundbreaking cloud service called BioNeMo. What's so special about it? Well, it's a platform that utilizes generative AI to design proteins that could potentially revolutionize human health and even combat climate change. Using BioNeMo, NVIDIA and Evozyne have already created 2 incredible proteins that are stealing the spotlight. The first protein has the potential to tackle carbon dioxide, which could have a huge positive impact on our environment. Imagine if we could find a way to reduce carbon dioxide levels significantly. The second protein shows promising signs of curing congenital diseases, offering hope to many people suffering from these conditions. This collaboration between NVIDIA and Evozyne exemplifies the incredible possibilities that emerge when technology and biotech join forces. The power of generative AI is truly awe-inspiring. With BioNeMo, researchers and scientists now have an innovative tool at their disposal to design proteins that could transform countless lives. It's exciting to see how advancements in technology can pave the way for breakthroughs in various fields. Who knows what other remarkable discoveries lie ahead as we continue to explore the potential of AI and biotechnology. The future certainly looks promising. AI has made its mark in the tech industry, and unfortunately, it's not all positive news. Job cuts have become a prevalent trend as companies adapt to the rapid advancements in AI technology. Names like Chegg, IBM, and Dropbox have all implemented layoffs in order to adjust their workforce to these changes. According to outplacement firm Challenger, Gray & Christmas, the tech sector witnessed the loss of 3,900 jobs in May alone due to AI. However, amidst the layoffs, companies are also restructuring themselves to better incorporate AI tools into their operations. They are realizing the value of employees with AI expertise and shifting their resources accordingly. Take Dropbox, for example. They are actively hiring employees specifically for their new AI initiatives, indicating their commitment to aligning their business around AI. It's important to note that while layoffs are occurring, the tech industry is simultaneously investing heavily in AI. Despite the uncertain economic environment, tech giants like Microsoft and Meta are making multi-billion-dollar investments in this innovative technology. So, while there may be some short-term repercussions in terms of layoffs, the long-term outlook for AI in the tech industry remains quite promising. The industry is adapting and transforming, and with that comes inevitable changes in the workforce. But it's clear that AI is here to stay and will continue to reshape the way we work and live. Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Today we have some exciting updates from the world of artificial intelligence. Let's dive right in. First up, we have OpenChat, an open-source language model that has been making waves. Trained on a diverse and high-quality dataset of multi-round conversations, OpenChat has proven to outperform ChatGPT 3.5. They've fine-tuned the models using around 6,000 conversations from GPT-4 and 90,000 shared GPT conversations. OpenChat comes in 3 variations, with the basic model OpenChat 8192 and OpenCoder Plus. In China, a team of researchers has achieved a groundbreaking feat. They used AI to design a fully functional CPU based on the RISC-V architecture. The amazing part? The AI model completed the entire design cycle in less than 5 hours. This is an incredible reduction in time, around 1,000 times faster than previous methods. It's being hailed as a significant step towards building self-evolving machines. Moving on, let's talk about SAM-PT. This innovative method expands the capabilities of the Segment Anything model, SAM, for video object segmentation. SAM-PT utilizes interactive prompts to track and segment objects in dynamic videos. The model achieves exceptional zero-shot performance in popular video object segmentation benchmarks. Impressive, isn't it? Midjourney has introduced a cool new feature called panning. With panning, users can explore images in 360-degree, revealing hidden details and getting a better look at specific areas. It's a fun and interactive way to examine generated images. Lastly, we have Disco. This AI model focuses on generating high-quality human dance images and videos. It prioritizes 3 important properties: faithfulness, generalizability, and compositionality. This means that the synthesis of dance images should retain the appearance of human subjects and backgrounds, precisely follow the target pose, and be able to handle various combinations of subjects, backgrounds, and poses. That wraps up our AI update for today. Stay tuned for more exciting news coming your way soon. Hey there! Exciting news in the world of AI and machine learning. Let's dive right in. First up, researchers have developed a deep learning model called Tiger. This super smart model accurately predicts the on and off target activity of RNA targeting CRISPR tools, which is revolutionary for gene therapy. This could have a huge impact on how we approach treating genetic diseases. In another interesting development, OpenAI is facing a legal challenge. Some authors allege that their writing was used to train the popular ChatGPT. It's not the first time AI and machine learning have faced legal issues related to content training, and it certainly won't be the last. Moving on, we have cutting-edge research in the field of type 1 diabetes. Scientists have used plasma protein proteomics and machine learning to identify early predictors of this disease. This could lead to earlier diagnosis and more effective treatments. NVIDIA has also made a big move in the AI space. They acquired OmniML, a startup that specializes in shrinking machine learning models. This means that these models can now run on individual devices instead of relying solely on cloud computing. Google AI has introduced media pipe diffusion plugins that enable controllable text-to-image generation on device. This is super exciting for creating visuals directly from text. Microsoft has released the first public beta version of Windows 11, featuring their highly anticipated AI assistant, Copilot. It's based on the GPT model and has already been integrated into various Microsoft products. Microsoft's commitment to embracing AI is evident with this move. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is launching a Twitter rival called Threads. This text-based conversation app will be available for download on July 6th. It's an interesting move by Meta to enter the space of short-form conversations. Now, let's talk about some incredible AI achievements. Google AI researchers developed a new AI model that can translate languages with unprecedented accuracy. This could open up new possibilities for global communication. OpenAI's 5, an AI trained on Atari games, has achieved superhuman scores on all 57 games tested. This is a remarkable milestone in the field of AI gaming. DeepPath, an AI-powered tool, is helping doctors diagnose cancer more accurately. By analyzing medical images, this tool can identify cancer cells with higher precision than human doctors. This could significantly improve cancer detection and ultimately save lives. AI is also flexing its creative muscles. MuseNet, an AI developed by MIT researchers, can write poems, code, scripts, and even musical pieces. Trained on a massive dataset, MuseNet is already producing impressive results. Lastly, Google AI has created Lambda, an AI-powered robot that can learn new tasks by observing humans. This could revolutionize the way we interact with robots in the future and open up endless possibilities. And that's a wrap on the latest AI news and updates. Exciting times ahead. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. I've got some exciting news for you. If you're looking to delve deeper into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, I've got just the thing for you. Introducing AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence by Etienne Newman. This must-have book is now available on Google, Apple, and Amazon. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should you pick up this book? Well, let me tell you. AI Unraveled is not your average read. It's packed with all the answers to your burning questions about AI. It demystifies complex concepts and presents them in a way that's easy to understand. Trust me, you won't be scratching your head in confusion after reading this engaging masterpiece. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and elevate your understanding of artificial intelligence, don't miss out on this opportunity. Grab your copy of AI Unraveled on Apple, Google, or Amazon today. It's time to unlock the secrets of AI and broaden your knowledge. Happy reading, my fellow AI enthusiasts. Thanks for listening to today's episode, where we covered a range of topics, including the difference between generative AI and predictive AI, open source models like LLMs, Llama, Alpaca, and Vicuna, Microsoft's Orca, and Anthropic's Claude, the advancements in AI and its impact on job cuts and industry investments, AI models for video creation and protein synthesis, recent AI innovations and acquisitions, as well as the practical applications of AI in various industries. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next one.